When you talk to naval historians or military planners about global power, they all pretty much agree on one thing. In a real-deal ocean fight, the U.S. Navy is basically untouchable. This absolute supremacy isn't just about having a ton of boats in the water, it's the result of a century-long strategy designed for total control of the seas. While other countries build navies meant to protect their own backyards, the U.S. Navy is built to drop overwhelming power across entire oceans all at the same time. The gap between the U.S. and everyone else is just wildly massive. The ultimate flex of this dominance is the supercarrier fleet. The U.S. Navy has 11 nuclear-powered supercarriers, and just one of these things carries an air wing with more firepower than the entire air forces of most countries. Because they're nuclear-powered, they have unlimited range and can sprint across the globe without ever needing to stop for gas. They are essentially floating, mobile pieces of American territory that can park right outside an enemy's doorstep, giving the U.S. a massive airbase without needing to ask any neighboring countries for permission. But the real secret weapon that makes the U.S. Navy unbeatable isn't actually something that shoots. It's the logistics. There's a famous military saying, "Amateurs talk tactics, professionals talk logistics." The U.S. Navy has totally mastered the art of underway replenishment, which is just a fancy way of saying they can reload ammo, refuel, and restock food and spare parts while moving at full speed in the middle of the ocean. Most navies are stuck on a short leash close to home, but the U.S. Navy has a massive shadow fleet of cargo ships that lets them fight indefinitely thousands of miles away. Of course, you can't just sail a giant carrier around without protection, which is why the rest of the fleet acts like an impenetrable shield. Every carrier travels with a pack of Arleigh-Burke-class destroyers packed with the Aegis combat system, creating a high-tech umbrella that can track and shoot down everything from cruise missiles to ballistic threats. Meanwhile, lurking beneath the waves is an all-nuclear submarine force. These subs are basically invisible ghosts that can hunt down enemy ships or sit tight as an unkillable nuclear deterrent. It's a multi-layered defense system that kills threats before they can even get close. What really seals the deal is the sheer depth of American naval power. The Navy is constantly evolving, mixing advanced crewed warships with new autonomous drone vessels to give commanders endless options. Plus, you can't just write a check for the decades of experience, training, and institutional knowledge that American sailors have. Backed by a massive budget that allows for non-stop training and tech updates, the U.S. Navy doesn't just guard the oceans, it completely owns them. For anyone thinking about picking a fight, the math just doesn't work out.